Hey YouTube, this is Brendan, and in this video we're going to be discussing how you can translate percent word problems into equations and then how you can solve them. So for starters, at the top here, I'm just going to outline what certain words mean when you're encountering one of these percent problems. So the first word you need to know when dealing with percents is obviously what the word percent means. So per just means divided by, and cent means 100. So the word percent just means you divide by 100. The word is means two things are equivalent to each other, so that would just mean equals. The word of indicates multiplication. And the word what, or some number or a number, well, that's going to indicate some kind of variable. So you might use the word, or you might use the letter x, or you might use the letter n, or you might use t, something like that. Now, because of is multiplication, I'm also going to put it as this dot so it's clear. So let's say we had to do this problem right here. Well, what we're going to do is we're just going to translate directly from words into math. So the word what is a variable, so I'm going to put x. The word percent means divide by 100, so I'm going to divide this by 100. We know the word of means multiplication, so I'm going to put a little dot right here. 45 is just a number, is means equals, and then 15 is just a number. So we can see that we can very easily go directly from words to a simple math equation. So then we can solve this. Well, if we want to isolate x, the first thing we might do is multiply both sides by 100. And when we do that, we're going to have x, we'll do this over here, x is equal to 1500, and it's going to be a 45x. And then if we divide both sides by 45, we're going to get x is this repeating 33.33, and that goes on forever. So essentially what we're saying is that 33% of 45 is 15, or 15 is 33% of 45. Now we can go ahead and take a look at the next problem, and we're going to use the same translation principle. So 15, well, it's just a number. Percent means divide by 100. Of means times. 300 is just a number. Is means equals. And what number just means x. So all we have to do here is multiply 15 over 100 by 300. And to make it easier on ourselves, we can start by crossing off these zeros through cross simplification. And we just find x is equal to 15 times 3. So x in this case is going to be 45%, or just 45. So 15% of 300 is just 45. Now for this last problem, we're just going to use the same thing again. So 20% means divide by 100. Of means times. What number is x? Is equal 150. And then if we just want to solve this for x, that's all we have to do. So I can see that these can cancel. 2 over 10 reduces to 1 over 5. So I have 1 over 5 times x is equal to 150. And if I want to solve this, I'm just going to multiply both sides by 5. So when I do that, I would find x is equal to 150 times 5, which is going to be 750. So we find that 20% of 750 is going to give us 150. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this intro to percents helpful.